Hey, bright minds! We all know that a white smile can boost your confidence, but those chemical treatments can be expensive and a little harsh on your teeth. Today, I'm sharing 5 simple and natural tips you can use right from your kitchen to whiten your teeth. Let's get started. Firstly, baking soda and lemon paste. Baking soda is mildly abrasive and can scrub away surface stains on your teeth. Combined with the acidity of lemon juice, it works wonders. Just mix a little baking soda with lemon juice, apply it to your teeth, let it sit for 2 minutes, and brush it off. But remember, don't do this too often, as the acidity can wear down your enamel. Next up, we have coconut oil pulling. It's a traditional Ayurvedic remedy that not only cleans your teeth, but can also help remove toxins from your mouth. Swish a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes, then spit it out and rinse. This can help reduce plaque buildup and whiten your teeth over time. Strawberries and baking soda. Who knew strawberries could brighten your smile? They contain malic acid, which helps remove stains, while baking soda adds that extra scrubbing power. Mix a mashed strawberry with baking soda, apply it to your teeth, leave it for a few minutes and then brush. Delicious and effective. Loving these tips so far? Make sure to hit subscribe for more natural beauty hacks and health tips. Now, apple cider vinegar might not taste the best, but it's a great natural cleaner. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar can kill bacteria and help whiten teeth. Just mix a teaspoon of ACV with water and use it as a mouth rinse. Be sure to dilute it well to protect your enamel. Finally, we have a tried and true method: hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. This combo is found in many commercial whitening products. Make a paste with a small amount of each, brush gently for 2 minutes, then rinse. This method is effective, but don't use it too often to avoid enamel damage. So, bright minds, those are my 5 natural tips for whitening your teeth right at home. Remember to be patient. Natural remedies take time, but the results are worth it. And of course, don't forget to like and share.